Good morning students. Happy morning to all. Program BCom, subject Corporate Law, semester, third semester, University, Davangere University, session 32. Module 3, Managerial Personnel of a Company. Topics covered: consequences of corporate social responsibilities of a company. Learning objectives. Main objective of this session is to understand the concept of consequences of corporate social responsibilities of a committee. In the previous session, we discussed in regarding to removal of secretary and corporate social responsibility committee. Session outcomes. After studying this session, you should be able to understand, explain the concept of consequences of corporate social responsibilities of a committee. Now let us know in regarding with the consequences of corporate social responsibilities of a committee. Activities under CSR, the activities that can be done by the company to achieve its CSR obligations include eradicating extreme hunger and poverty, promotion of education, promoting gender equality and empowering women, reducing child mortality and improving maternal health, combating human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, malaria and other diseases, ensuring environmental stability, sustainability, employment enhancing vocational skills, social business projects, contribution to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund or any other fund set up by the central government or the state governments for socio-economic development and relief, and funds for the welfare of the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, other backward classes, monitors and women and such other matters as may be prescribed. Local area. Under the Companies Act, preference should be given to local areas and the areas where the company operates. Company may also choose to associate with two or more companies for fulfilling the CSR activities, provided that they are able to report individually. The CSR committee shall also prepare the CSR policy, in which it includes the projects and programs which is to be undertaken, prepare a list of projects and programs which a company plans to undertake during the implementation year, and also focus on integrating business models with social and environmental priorities and processes in order to create share value. The company can also make the annual report of CSR activities, in which they mention the average net profit for the 3 financial years and also prescribed CSR expenditure. But if the company is unable to spend the minimum required expenditure, the company has to give the reasons in the board report for non-compliance, so that there are no penal provisions are attracted by it. Now we have to be end of the session, that is summary of the session. The introduction of CSR provision in the Companies Act is a welcome step, and all companies which satisfy the CSR criteria will have to undertake CSR activities under the new CSR regime during current financial year. This step will boost much required social projects with some professional management of the private sector. Once again I am repeating, the introduction of CSR provision is very important according to Companies Act. It is a welcoming step, and all companies which satisfy with the CSR criteria will have to undertake CSR activities under the new CSR regime during financial current financial year. So this step will boost much required social project with some professional management of the private sector. So this is about this session in regarding to the corporate social responsibilities. Thank you. Thank you.